How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to LT3D. Apologies in advance for the voice if it doesn't come through nicely. I'm currently unwell, but Elegoo have just released their Centauri Carbon, and the pricing is now available. But there's also another printer that they have. I don't know if they were supposed to release it or whether it was just accidentally leaked, but they do have another printer that is also live on the website. So let's dive into it, have a look at the features, have a look at the difference between these two printers, and finally find out what the price is. Alrighty, so let's take a look at this video here. Jeez, that's loud. Oh, it's only a 15-second video. Okay, all right, let's have a look. Spool holder on the side. Yep, fantastic. Love to see it. It does look like a nice printer, you know. You can definitely see that there's some heavy inspiration from somewhere as well. But we're not going to comment on it. I got a lot of backlash in the last video, so let's continue. 500 mil per second, 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration. Build volume 256 cube. Love to see it. Carbon obviously means carbon fiber compatibilities. Yep. Which means hardened steel nozzle. Yep. 320 degree hot end. Cool. 110 degree heated bed. Lovely. Some example prints. Okay, PLA CF. PLA. Is that it? Yeah. Tell you what, the quality looks pretty good, to be honest. Not too bad. I've seen some prints from other content creators, and the printer looks like it produces some pretty nice prints. Full auto calibration, no manual adjustments, so auto Z offset, auto leveling, love it. Auto vibration compensation, yep. Pressure advance, cool. Chamber camera, lovely. Now, I do believe that this is just a camera for remotely viewing it and time lapses. I don't think it has any AI features at the moment. Potentially we could see some in the future, which would be quite cool. But I think that's all it is at the moment. Semi-automatic belt tensioner, that's pretty cool. Auto filament unloading, okay, cool. One click to unload the filament in the extruder. Features an integrated cutter, cool. Power loss recovery, love to see it. Fan self-check. Instant alerts enable prompt fan issue resolution while precise speed control ensures optimal cooling. Cool. Filament detector. Yep. Love to see it. Core XY. Yep. 32 millimeter cubed per second flow rate. Cool. Fully enclosed, yep. Pressure advance. Active vibration compensation. That first layer does look very damn good, by the way. All around cooling. Dual-sided flexible plate. Now this is really cool. I want to see more companies do this. I know there's quite a few out there that already do it, but I would like to see pretty much every company offer like multiple surfaces with their printer straight off the bat. And I think I saw in Uncle Jesse's video, there's a really cool feature of the printer where they have A and B here, and they have two separate leveling calibrations. So then if you change a plate, instead of having to re-level, you can just press you're using B and it will use those settings, which is fantastic. Filament waste bin. I think this is really cool that they have a inbuilt file, like pre-built into it, of a 3D model of their own printer as a purge bucket out the back. I think that is fantastic. I think more companies should do it because obviously it's not just like some random, just boring old box. It's nice and personalized to match the printer, which I think is very cool. Nozzle wiper, yep. Magnetic printed cover, yep. Touchscreen, love it. transparent glass door, love it. Filters, love it. Alrighty. And now for the pricing. Now, this is where I think they weren't potentially meant to leak this, or maybe they were, but Centauri or Centauri series. So it looks like there's definitely going to be more than one printer in the series, and that is also confirmed here. So the Carbon is $699.99 AUD, and they also have a non-carbon, non-enclosed version for $549.99, which also looks pretty damn good, except the spool holder's on the back. Now, I guess it makes sense because there's no side panel, but surely you could maybe have something coming off here. I mean, I know it'll look a bit weird, but it would be nice to have it on the side similar to the enclosed one. But anyway, they've also got other options here by the looks of it for combos, which will have nozzles, filament, build plate pack. So I'm assuming they're doing either sticker sheets or actual different sheets similar to Bamboo Lab and other companies like that, with like effects, 3D effects and so forth, which is really cool. We've got carbon fiber PLA pack, build plate pack, yep. Oh, and you can choose the colors here. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. Thank you, Elegoo. It was lovely. Not a lot of companies do that, but that's pretty cool. And then frequently bought together, and then obviously the bundles for the non-enclosed, which is really cool. Oh, okay, and you've got the 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8mm nozzles that will be available at some point. That's pretty cool as well. But what I really want to know is what is the difference between these two printers? And that is what I want to know. What makes one a carbon and one not? Is there a comparison? No? Wait, maybe. Okay. Does this one have it? Ah, yeah. Okay, cool. So, the Carbon you can buy right now. The non-carbon is pre-order. Plastic and glass open frame, obviously, yep, makes sense. Supported filament types, yep, this will have carbon fiber and other engineering grade filaments. This won't, but ABS and ASA, so nice. You'd think you can do PLA CF and PETG CF. Oh, but I guess no filters, that's probably why. Okay, never mind. Chamber monitoring camera. Okay, here we go. So the Carbon has a camera, the non-carbon doesn't. Alright. All hardened gears as well. Love that. Love the fact that you've got hardened gears on both, and they didn't do like Bamboo Lab with the X1 having hardened nozzle and gear and the P1 series not. That is fantastic. Well done, Elegoo. Max bed temp of 110, whereas there's 100. And then obviously the fans. So, not a lot of difference, to be honest. But, what was the pricing? $100 difference? $699, $540. Okay, so what was that, $150? You're gonna have to bear with me if I'm wrong. It's late at night, but that's pretty well priced, to be honest. And by the looks of it, this will be shipping next month, whereas the pre-order will be shipping later on the year in June. But I'll tell you what, that price of the non-carbon $549.99 is definitely competing with Flashforge Adventure 5M, because this is only 220 cubed. This is 256 cubed, and you're getting hardened steel nozzle and hardened gears straight off the bat. So you can definitely see this printer being very popular. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on the printers in the comments down below on both of them, and whether you think they will release even more in the series in the coming future. Let me know if you'll be picking up any of them, pre-ordering the non-carbon or buying the Carbon right now. And as always, happy printing.